Hi everyone. So here I am. Like I have been giving a thought about doing YouTube for a quite a long time. I've tried in some ways, like going anonymous or trying different channels and thinking through like if I should go about it or not. Should I uh, pick a niche or should I like? I'm a basically a software engineer, so like there are a lot of confusions and such. Should I go about just talking about software engineering? Should I go about talking of life in itself, or daily current affairs and things? There, one thing is very sure that like I am still figuring out like what is the goal. Is it to earn money, which is not the case as of now? And is it to contribute some value to someone? God knows, like if I would be able to contribute some value or not, given I feel like all the resources, everything is available over internet. Abundance of information is basically making us helpless. We are not able to figure out like what's best, what's not, or maybe we are not able to make judgment or not able to decide if the judgment is actually correct or not. So there are a lot of things, right? So ideally, like if I start the YouTube channel and I start talking about things like, let's say I'm a software engineer, I start talking about software engineering itself, or let's say some life principles, let's say anything related to management and how to uh, live life like frictionless and things like whatever I have learned so far in my life. But not sure if it would help any value or not. So for now, I've dropped those two ideas like earning money, uh, helping anyone. Those two goals, I think I should not chase it right now because I'm not aware like if I'm adding a value or not, because there are a lot of value already in the market. It's the person who needs to figure it out. So I would rather start this channel for self exploration. I would put out a video regarding thought process or anything. And I assume like I am a person who is evolving with time. I might have some wrong preconceptions or ideas or thought process which may not be correct or which may be incorrect at very great depth, right? But one thing is for sure, I'm very open to corrections. So now I'll try to face my fear of getting judged. What if I made some statement or I put out some thought which is not aligned with someone? Right now, I feel things are like this. Like even if you put out a statement rather than discussing or debating about it, people just start judging it and defending like why you should not have done this or you should not have stated this. But it's a society. These are people who are all evolving. So I could not like I feel like asking them. This is just a discussions. We are all evolving. There is no crime in thinking in any way until you are basically open for corrections or open to change the thought process or discuss it probably. So that is the basic idea. There have been lot of thinking, lot of fear, lot of you can call overthinking or whatever. And there is a job which is right now with me. So I am a software engineer by professions, and then there is a life in itself. And still, I feel like I want to put out a video and to explore things further for myself, not for anyone. If anyone can get any value from all of this, then it's good. If not, that's fine. But that's not the goal that, at least right now, I'm starting to chase. In future, things may change. That I'm not quite sure about it. So yeah. So this is the. This is actually not a first video, but this is the first video in camera where I want to go all in and just explore things, and let's figure out like how things can improve. I know for sure like people are too judgmental right now. Like even if a person is doing very good in life and in things, and everybody have evolved, and even if like a person says something which offends people, then people start picking the older videos and picking the character and defining like who the person is, who the person is not, and so on. So that is how it is. Things are right now, but like we would have to phase it ideally. So yeah, I would say like this video would be very strange if I keep talking. So that was my thought process that I'm about to get started with. We'll see how things go on and how it does not go. Thank you.